Hi, the functional interceptor is a code that is executed before or after every HTTP request. If you need to set up cookies or some parameters into your HTTP, just use interceptors. I've already created an class-based interceptor to show you the difference between class-based and functional. So to create a functional interceptor, we will use export const, and here we need the name of the function. I will use simple interceptor, and let's add functional. So it's a function, and it takes two parameters, like with class-based. It requests a next. The only difference is its next is not HTTP handler, it's HTTP handler function. And it's the same, but because it's HTTP handler function, there is no need for this handle. So it's much easier code to read. And that's it. This is your interceptor. And to use it, navigate into your main.ts file, and where you have this provide HTTP client. And you need to remember, you need to use like Angular 15 or higher to have this provide HTTP client. And here, just use with interceptors and just pass our interceptor. So it's simple interceptor function. And there is no need to configure it like with class bases where you use provide HTTP interceptors. No, it's much simpler. And that's it. You have your interceptor. But the main power comes from how it's easy to configure it. For example, I will need retry interceptor function. And here I want to pass how many times I want it to retry. For example, 5 times. So let's create this retry interceptor. We'll say I will copy the name. It will be also a function. And here we pass how many times. And because it's a function, we can just copy paste it. And here we will return our simple interceptor function. And in next request, we will configure it with pipe, and here pass how many retry and how many times do you want to retry. And that's it. It's fully configurable interceptor. And remember to import it also. I hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye.